Hello, South Brunswick High School students interested in the course Perspectives on 9/11 and Terrorism. As the title suggests, this course is not only about 9/11, but it is also about terrorism in general. I'm using the class website, and you'll notice at top we have these tabs, and each one of those tabs corresponds to one of the units of study that we will be looking at. For example, we will first start out with human behavior, looking at terrorism in general. We will be looking at the evolution of Al Qaeda as well as the 9/11 attacks, and remembering the 9/11 attacks and the impact of 9/11 on the United States as well as the world. I'm going to shift to Unit 4, and when you look at Unit 4, we will be studying what happened inside the planes on 9/11 on this particular day. We'll be looking at the 9/11 Commission report, and this will be the worksheet used for this class. If a student is absent, a student can always access the absent tab, complete the form, or if the student is concerned about participating as an individual, the student can complete this form here to take the stress off of the student who is concerned about participating. Looking into Unit 4, we see some of the videos we will be watching, United 93, the film, as well as the 9/11 documentary by the Naudet brothers, 102 Minutes. The film The Walk, which is about Philippe Petit, who tightrope walked between the North and South Tower. As I click on this particular file here, we see some images of Philippe Petit walking between the two towers. If you wanted to know what happened inside the World Trade Center, we will be looking at that utilizing the 9/11 Commission report and looking at some of the heroes and the victims of that particular day, listening to audio. And then as we proceed further down, we see architect of 9/11, where students will be asked to put together this model of the World Trade Center site using paper. And the aftermath cleanup of 9/11, pop culture and 9/11, looking at some of the predictive programming that occurred on 9/11, some of the art that emerged as a result of the 9/11 attacks, and a little bit on the 9/11 hijackers, a bio. Who were the 9/11 hijackers? Why did they commit to this particular attack? What role did bin Laden play? As well as key figures in the Al Qaeda organization. One of the projects that students will be asked to complete will be a 9/11 memorial. Here we see a student sample of United 93. Here we see another model. Not quite sure what this is about, what the topic is here. Looks like it has to do with honoring 9/11 in general, whereas this one seems to be about first responders. Students will also participate in various simulations. In this simulation, students will be playing the role of various countries, and these various countries will have to deal with terrorism as issues emerge. And that's it. That's a pretty quick overview of what to expect in the 9/11 attacks. Hope to see you there. Thanks for watching.